the 5 x square plus 18x plus y minus 2y plus 29 equals 0. This is a circle. Now we want to verify that minus 7 minus 6 lies on C. We want to verify this. So we will substitute the values and see whether this equation will happy. How the equation will happy? Equation is happy if they further we keep the equality by substituting those values, and it makes this left and right not equal, then the equation is not happy. It's inequality. So okay, let's check. LHS left hand side is x square plus 8x, that is 18x, plus y square minus 2y plus 29. We substitute x square means minus 7 square plus 18 times x means minus 7 plus y square means minus 6 square minus 2 times y means minus 6 plus 29. This is 49. This is 18 times 7, 10 times 7, 70, 56, 6, 126. So 49 minus 126. Then this is plus 36. This is plus 12 plus 29. Plus 29. Value is 0. Right hand side of this equation is 0. Hence LHS equal RHS. Hence minus 7 minus 6 point lies on the circle. Now this is the minus 7 6 minus 6 on the circle. Now we draw a tangent to this point. Now we need the tangent equation. I'll redraw this line, and minus 6 minus 6 minus 7 minus 6. Now I have a point in this line. To write the equation of this line, I need the gradient. How I am going to find the gradient of this line? I know that if this is the center, then when I draw this one, the radius and the tangent, they are 90 degrees. If I know the radius gradient, then I can find this one. Now I know that one point. I want to know that this point, coordinate of this point. What is this point? This point is center. Is there any way to find the center? Coordinate to center. Yes, equation is given. Now this is going to be 2gx and this is 2fy. Then 2g equal 18 and 2f equal minus 2. So g equal 9 and f equal minus 1. So minus g minus f is the, I think I said this one. This has to be 2fx and 2gy. So if you take like this, then this is the minus g minus f. But I will stay with the standard. Instead of taking 2gx, I will take 2fy 2gx. Then 2f equal 18 and 2g equals, values are going to be the same still. This is f and g method. F equal 9 and g equal minus 1. So minus f minus g. And what is minus f? This is 9 minus 9 minus g mean plus 1 minus minus 1 plus 1. Or simply, this is the presentation, but you know that take x value, you want to find 18 divided by 2 9 and multiply by minus 1, so minus 9. Take this one minus 2 and divide by 2 minus 1 multiply by minus 1, so this is going to be 1. So but we need a presentation, that's why. Okay, I will take this is okay 2fx and 2gy, so then 2f equal 18, then 2g equal minus 2, f equal 9, g equal minus 1, center is minus f minus g. Now minus 9 and minus g mean plus 1. Now I know the center, minus 9 and 1. So I will take this piece now, minus 9 1 and minus 7 minus 6. I will take this line L, and this is there any point for this? Okay, C. This is C point. I will take this is A, then this is A and C. Now gradient of AC is 1 minus minus 6 divided by y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. This is going to be 1 plus 6. This is minus 9 plus 7. 7 over minus 2. Now I know this gradient. This gradient is ml minus 7 over 2. Then I can find this gradient. So MAC times ML equal has to be minus 1 because they are perpendicular. As AC and L are perpendicular, then MAC is minus 7 over 2 times ML is minus 1. ML equal minus 2 over 7. Now you know the gradient of this one. So we want to find the gradient of this one. If we know this gradient, since this is perpendicular, we can find. Then our task is to find this gradient. We know the point, but we don't know this one. Then we found out this is center. Then because of that, we managed to get the gradient and now perpendicular gradient. Now I am going to write the equation y1 minus y1 m times x minus x1, y minus minus 6 equal 2 over 7 x minus minus 7, y plus 6 equal 2 over 7 x plus 7, y plus 6, okay, y equal, so this is 2 over 7 x plus 2 minus 6. So y equal 2 over 7 x minus 4. So tangent is y equal 2 over 7x minus 4. So this is y equal 2 over 7x minus 4. Um, Part C, find the coordinate of r. The point of is a tangent and a y-axis. So at y-axis, x equals 0 because we know that y-axis mean what is the equation? X equals 0 line. Hence y equal 2 over 7, 0 minus 4 equal minus 4. So coordinate of r is 0 minus 4. Now part D, find APR. Now we want to find the triangle APR area. Since this is a right angle triangle, it is easy. If I consider PR is the base, uh, area of triangle APR equal half a base is PR, then PA is the perpendicular height. Now what is PR? PR is, we know the equation, x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square root. This is 7 square plus this is going to be minus 2 square, which is 4, square root 53. So this length is square root 53. This is the radius. We can work out from the equation, or I'll simply find the radian. Distance of PR, distance of AP equal uh, x1 minus x2 square plus 1 minus y1 minus y2 square root minus 9 plus 7 square plus 1 plus 6 square root. So this is minus 2 square 4 and this is 7 square 49 square root 53. So this is also square root 53. Then area is half a times the square root 53 and square root 53. 53. It means 53 over 2. Unit squares. Question number 6. And this is the equation give x plus 4 y minus 1 square. So we know center is minus 4 and 1. And somewhere here center minus 4 and 1. We have a circle like this. And 7 minus 10. The tangent of the circle at 7 minus 10. There is 7 minus 10 point. So this is the tangent. The circle meet x-axis at t. So this is t. And y-axis at s. If we know the equation of this line, we can find the s and t. So this is 4 minus 1. Now our task should be to find the equation of this line. We know 1 point. It means I know 1.7 minus 2. I need the gradient, then I can do the job. But as usual, this one is perpendicular. I'll put this is A and this is B. So then if I can find AB gradient, then perpendicular I know the gradient of this line. So then gradient of AB, MAB equal x1 minus y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 divided by x1 minus x2. So this is minus 1 plus 10 over minus 11. So this is going to be 9 over 11. This is 1, not minus 1. And because of that, this is 1. So this is going to be plus 1. This is going to be 11. And this is going to be minus 1. Now, I'll take this. Okay, gradient of ST. MST equal. Okay, MST times MAB equal minus 1 as AB perpendicular to ST. Then MST times minus 1 equal minus 1. Hence MST equal 1. Now I know the gradient of this line 1 and I know a 0.7 minus 10. Then I can write the equation. So y minus y1 m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 means minus 10. M is 1 and x minus this is 7. So y plus 10 equal x minus 7. Y equals x minus 17. Now this is the equation of line y equal x minus 17. We know at y-axis x equals 0. At s x equals 0. Then y equals 0 minus 17 equals 17. In other way, y-intercept. So this point is 0 minus 17. At t, y equals 0. Then 0 equals x minus 17. X equals 17. This point is 17, 0. Hence, find the area of OST triangle. It means half a base times height. This is OST triangle. This is 90 degrees. If I take this base OT, then O is going to be the perpendicular height. So half a OT mean we know this is 17 unit. And OS we know again 17 unit. So 17 square over 2, which is 144.5 unit square. Question number 7. This is the equation x plus y square y plus 3 square equal 80. We work differently this sum. The line L tangent to the circle has gradient 2. So this is gradient 2 both. They have gradient 2. find two possible equation for two possible equation. So basically this is y equal 2x plus c 1. This is y equal 2x plus c2. In general, if I take y equal 2x plus c, instead of c1 and c2, I take one parallel equation y equal 2x plus c, and I am going to show there are two c values. Then those two values going to be those two equations. Right. How do you show that? A line and crosses, if there are two intersection points, when a line crosses a circle, and assume that there are two intersection points, then what do you know about b square minus 4ac greater than c? If it is touch, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So I am working on this now. This is the circle given. I'll consider this is y equal to x plus c. C may have 2, then the other one is going to be this one. I'm going to solve this one, and then I apply the condition because they both are tangent. B square minus 4ac has to be, okay, instead of both, this one is a tangent, then b square minus 4ac equals 0. Basically, we are solving those two equations. So I'm going to solve this one, and y equal 2x plus c. Then x plus 5 square plus y mean what? 2x plus c and plus 3 square equal 80. Now I am expanding this one. X square plus 10x plus 25 plus this one 2x square plus 2 times 2x times c plus 3. So I'll take this one, and this is the other term. Now you know that a plus b square, how do we write? A square plus then 2 times multiple of those two, and b square, same thing. I'm doing 2x square. I'll take the other term is c plus 3. 2 times 2x times c plus 3 times this term square, c plus 3 square equal 80. So x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 4x square plus this is going to be 2 times 2 4 4x times 4cx. I expand this one, and 4 times 3 12x. Then I have to expand this one, c square, c plus 3, 6c plus 9 equal 80. Now x square plus 4x square 5x square. Now I am going to take all the x's together. This is 10 plus this is 4c, and this is 12x. Then plus 25 plus 9 minus 80 equals 0. I bring this one. So 5x square 4c plus 12, 22. 10 plus 12, 22x plus 25, 34 minus 46 equals 0. Now we know that this is a quadratic equation and the y equal to x plus t touch this curve circle, then b square minus 4ac has to be equal to 0. Now what is b? This is the b. 4c plus 22 square minus 4 times a is 5, c is minus 46 equals 0. Now this is 4c plus 22 square minus it's going to be plus 20 times 46 plus 920. I missed some parts here. 5 square, this is not 46. There are more parts, I lost that. 25 plus 9 minus 18. How about c square plus 6c equals 0. Then, 46 minus 46 is the answer. Then c square plus 6c equals 0. Now we want b square minus 4ac equals 0. B means 4c plus 22 square minus 4 times a mean 5 times c mean c square 60 minus 46. I switch these numbers. I write this one and minus 46c. Now I have to expand this. 4c square means 16c square. Then 4 times 22, 88 and double. So 176c plus 22 square, which is 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 242. Not 2. This is 484. 484 minus this is 20. 20c square. Then 20 times 6 minus 120c and 20 times 46, 920 equals 0. Now let's simplify. This is minus 20, this is 16, then minus 4c square, this is 176, this is minus 120. So 176, 120. So this is going to be plus 56. C, when you add those two, that is 4, 924, 844, 1404 equals 0. Now I can see I can divide this equation by 4. divided by 4. Then this is minus c square plus 28c plus 351. 351 equals 0. It means minus c square plus 28c plus 351 equals 0. C square I minus by multiply by minus 28c, 351 equal 0. Sorry, this is 56 divided by 4. It is going to be 14 plus 14. Then this is plus 14. This is negative 14. So then the brackets are C minus 27 and C plus 13 equals 0. It means C minus 27 equals 0 or C plus 13 equals 0. C equal 27 or C equal minus 13. So what are the two answers then? Y equal 2x plus 27 or y equal 2x minus 13. So this is a good calculation. You should have a strong algebra knowledge and work this kind of sum or this time 4-5 times, and this kind of sum 4-5 times. It will make you stronger. So we'll discuss differently this sum the different way, but this is one way. If you have strong algebra knowledge, I mean calculation, then this is easy. Now what is the radius center of this one? Minus 5 and minus 3. Now this is the plan, this is the circle. So this is minus 5, minus 3. Then there are two lines going through like this. They all have gradient 2. There are other line also going with the gradient 2. But we only need the lines touching the circle. Now, since we know that, then I'll merge this is a gradient to this point. So this is the radius. So now this is 90 degrees. Okay, I will extend this one. So I know the circle equation. I know the circle equation. If I know the equation of this one, we can solve and we can find those 2 points. When I know 2 points, then I know the gradient too. Then point and a gradient, I can write the equation. So my plan is how I am going to find the equation of this one. I know a point on the line, minus 5, 3. I know perpendicular gradient 2. Then this gradient has to be minus half. Now I have a gradient, then I have a point. Then I can write the line, equation line. Sorry, equation of this line. Then I will solve those with the circle. We'll work that. minus 5 minus 3, and this is 90 degrees. This gradient m equal to both. So I will take this line is L3, and this is L1. So L1 and L3 are perpendicular. Hence, ML1 times ML3 equal minus 1. ML1 is 2. Gradient is 2. 2 times ML1 equal minus 1. ML1 is minus half. Now I have a gradient 1 minus half, and I have point minus 5 minus 3. So I'll write the equation of this one. Y minus y1 m times minus half times x minus x1. So y plus 3 equal minus half x plus 5 over 2 minus 5 over 2. Y equal minus half x minus 5 over 2 minus 3. Y equal minus half x minus 11 over 2. Now this is y equal minus half x minus 11 over 2. Now y equal minus half minus 11 over 2. I am going to solve those two equations, this circle equation and this line. Then I can get the coordinate of this one. Now we'll work. X plus y square plus y mean minus half x minus 11 over 2 plus 3 square equal 80. X plus y over 2 square plus minus half x. This is going to be minus 5 over 2 square 80. So this is going to be x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 1 over 4x x square plus 5 over 4 5 over 2x plus 25 over 4. Now can you see that by looking at I am expanding? So that is your knowledge should be. If you try to work out right like this 2 times like this, then you will lose lot of times, and you can't make the paper. You can't because it is lot of time consuming. When you look at, you will be able to simplify this kind of equation. 1 over 4x square, then 2 times 1 over half, 5 over 2, 2 to 2 cancel out, 5 over 2 minus minus plus. So everything should work in your brain accurately. So for me, I have years of experience. At least you have to work this kind of sum at least around 20 30 to get that good grip on it. And 80. Now I all multiply by 4 because I can say denominator is 4 and 2. This is going to be 4x square plus this is going to be 40x. This is going to be 100. This is x square. This is 10x. Then this is 25 minus equal 80 times 4, 320. Then 4x square, x square, 5x square, 40x plus 50x. Then this is 100 and this side 125. So this is going to be minus 195 equal 0. Now I'm going to divide by 5, x square plus divide by 5x square plus 10x minus 39 equal 0. So I can break this one, x plus 13 and x minus 3 equals 0, x equal minus 13, no, x equal 3. Now I found out one point is 3, other point is minus 13. Now I want to find the y value of this one. When x equal 3, y equal minus 3 over 2 minus 11 over 2, x equal 3. Or 14 over 2, that is going to be minus 7. So this is 3 minus 7. When x equal minus 30, positive 13 over 2, 11 over 2, 2 over 2, it is going to be 1. So this is 1. Now this one, y equal 2x plus c. Okay, I'll take c1, the equation of this sign, gradient is 2. Now I want to find c1, or we'll work the differently. Now you have gradient m equal 2 and a point minus 13, 1. Then y minus y1 equal m times, this is the formula I am using, x minus minus 13. Y minus 1 equal 2x plus 26. So y equal 2x plus 27. This is one equation. The other one, y minus 1 equal 2 times, sorry, what are the points? 3 minus 7. M equal 2 and point is 3 minus 7. So y minus y1, m mean 2 times x minus 3. So y plus 7 equal 2x minus 6. So y equal 2x minus 30. So those are the two equations. So I did differently.